Hi guys! What's up mga kalayas? Papunta tayo ngayon sa RPP kay Bubbles. Kasi meron tayo agenda today. Papunta tayo ngayon sa labas ng ating bahay. Maghintay tayo ng tricycle. Guys, alam niyo ba itong outfit na to? Wait lang, papakita ko sa inyo. Guys, I'm with Tita Bubbles. We're going to Max to celebrate Shesha's birthday. Pero ngayon, dito lang kami sa New City kasi galing siya ng Watson. She bought something. Mag-hi kayo sa vlog ng Tito Ryan. Bro. Hi guys! Ayun ang mga kalayas. Galing lang kami KFC. Tapos, dito kami sa Batangas. Dito kami sa Batangas. Si Mrs. Kalayas. Tapos si manager. Ay, may birthday! Si Samuel. Maganda muna ngayon. Ano ba? What's up guys? So yun na. Just got home. Bibigyan na natin ang pasalubong natin kay Pilo.
Happy birthday, Misha! Ang tagal na rin nung hindi natin pagkikita. Sana mag-enjoy ka dyan sa special day mo. Happy birthday ulit. Yun lang. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Misha, happy 13th birthday. Ang wish ko para sa'yo is that may you grow into a person who will show the world how much of a truly amazing woman you are. May you show the world that you can conquer whatever it gives you and that may you reach every dream you've ever had. Thank you kasi you're my best friend. Thank you kasi you stay, and thank you kasi you're the one I've always wanted and always needed. Sabihin ko na sa'yo agad, hindi madaling maging 13. Minsan mahirap, minsan gusto mo na lang mag-give up. Pero let me tell you, it's not worth it. Not worth it na magpapagod ka tapos mag-give up ka lang. Don't worry, the Lord, me, and every loved one you ever have will be by your side supporting you through it all kasi alam namin kaya mo. Kasi you're the type of woman who never gives up. And that's one thing I cherish most about you. Misha, you've stayed with me through everything I've ever dealt with. You've seen me lost and all, and you still stayed. And now, I am gonna be doing that to for you. I will stay no matter what kasi you are one of the friends I will forever cherish no matter what. Kasi you're stuck with me na. Wala ka talagang choice. As this year goes by, may you experience full immense of joy, no tears, no sadness, just pure happiness. Sana makita mo yung worth mo talaga, and sana you always feel loved, seen, cared, appreciated, especially enough. Kasi you'll always be enough. Misha, happy birthday again. You're my best friend, soulmate, sister, partner in crime, and the one I will forever cherish. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Misha. Wishing you a good day with good health and happiness forever. Happy birthday.
Hi, Misha Mouse. I just want to say happy birthday sa'yo. Sana masaya ka sa araw ng birthday mo. And congrats sa mga achievements na natatanggap mo sa school. Nawa ay pagbutihin mo ang iyong pag-aaral at gawing inspiration lahat ng mga nagpapasaya sa'yo. I just want to say then na I'm really grateful and I'm really thankful na nakilala kita sa buhay ko. And yeah, happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka ng long life, and I know na deserve mo lahat ng mga natatanggap mo. So yeah, I love you, we love you, and happy birthday again. Sana makita na tayo.
Hi Misha, happy birthday. May this year bring you joy and success. Keep shining Misha, God is with you. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Rain. More birthdays to come. My wish for you is to have a good health and may God bless your family. Enjoy your day and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Misha! Teenager ka na, and I hope you will still continue what you've started. Yung being a good girl, not only good, but the best. Yung good moral character na itinanim namin sa'yo, I hope you will forever store that or retain in your mind and in your heart. Again, happy birthday. Miss ka na namin. Sana dalawin mo na kami ulit. Happy birthday again, Misha. Love you.
Happy birthday, Misha! Love you. Miss you. Good night. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Rain. Enjoy your special day and more blessings to come.
Rain, birthday mo nagbukas. Handa muna bago bati. Pring handa. Day, joke lang. Happy birthday. Sana wag ka na laging maging maldita. Sungit-sungit mo yung liit-liit mo. Huwag ka na magtaray. Di bagay.
Happy birthday, Bebe or Misha, our childhood best friend pero cousin. I hope your celebration gives you many happy memories. May this special day bring you joy, happiness, and precious memories. Treat yourself to something special on your birthday. You deserve it. The day is all yours. Have fun. Ingat. Bye-bye.
Ninang Misha.
Misha.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po.
I love you.
I love you.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Oh, give mong heart sa na. Heart.
Heart.